So I was driving up to Bicester for the news press event and awards, of course. Of course, I'm taking the BCG BMW, but on the motorway as I'm going up there, I started experiencing a vibration, and the vibration just got steadily worse and worse and worse until something was definitely off with the steering. So fortunately in Bicester, very nearby to the actual event, is of course the project shop, who have worked on the car before, Simeon and these guys, including James, who's now having a look at it, and there appears to be some quite serious issue with the wheel. So what's happened is that the bolts on that side, or maybe there was an issue with the actual hub on this side, on the passenger side front, came loose, and they basically have ruined the inside of that BBS wheel, the actual nuts. They can be repaired, so I'm going to have to leave the wheel here with Simeon to send that away to get that alloy wheel repaired, and the hub itself now will have to be changed because the wheels are the nuts are a bit loose in there. In the meantime, put the spare wheel on it so that at least I can drive it until we get that stuff sorted, but it should be okay for a while. Can't put it on display now though. Spent 2.5 hours yesterday cleaning the car to put it on display, and I'm just going to park it around the back because it's got that because the spare wheel is the standard wheel that came on the SE, it's not the BBS ones, so that's not going to look good. You know what, put it on display anyway.